This is a 22 News Storm Team Weather Alert.
Hey, good morning. Time now is 4:48. We do have the 22 Storm Team Weather Alert up as we are again watching two things. We got some really cold Arctic air that's going to be beginning tonight. So that is a weather alert on its own. And then we also got the winter storm that we're watching coming in for Sunday into Monday. Winter storm watch is up for everybody. And this means the National Weather Service has high confidence of over 8 inches of snow. And that is high confidence. Sunday into Monday, again, this will be a pretty long duration snowfall event. Cold weather alerts are up. You got an extreme cold warning that is up for the Berkshires and western Hamden, Hampshire, Franklin counties. This is for wind chill values that could be -20 to -30 degrees for tonight into tomorrow morning. And then here in the valley points to the east, you got a cold weather advisory for wind chills -10 to -20 for tonight into the day tomorrow. So you get the idea. It is going to get really, really cold around here. Right now, Westfield, you can see we're fine. A quiet morning. Greenfield also looking pretty good. Breeze is fairly light, not much wind to worry about. And air temperature, it's chilly, but you're going to be wanting to be in the 20s, come tomorrow morning. 23 in Northampton, 24 in Springfield, 19 there in Pittsfield. Throughout the day here, 22 Storm Team Daycast, actually, this didn't update when I updated it, so forget that it's showing that it's dark at 10 a.m. Just more pay attention to the temperatures. We'll be mostly in the upper 20s to right around 30 as we go through this afternoon. I'll have to fix that. We are going to be talking about those really severe wind chill values, and I want to show them to you. This is 7 p.m. Tonight, this evening, and this is wind chill values around 0 in the valley, below 0 back into the Berkshires. Look as we go through tonight. By midnight, we're already around 20 below in the Berkshires, -8 Springfield, -7 Northampton. When you're waking up for your Saturday morning, these are the wind chill values. -13 Springfield, -15 Westfield, around 30 below 0 back into the Berkshires. So that's why we have those really cold warnings, watches that are up for everybody, because you'll likely be dealing with these wind chill values between -10 to -30 degrees by tomorrow morning. So that's one thing we're watching out for. We're dry for now. Taking a wider view on clouds and radar, much of the region looks fine. Today's a quiet day overall. We are going to see a breeze pick up out of the northwest as some colder air starts to rush in, and it could generate a little bit of some passing clouds and maybe the chance for a passing flurry in a couple spots during the afternoon. So can't rule out the chance for a few flurries for later today. Not going to be much of anything. Heading into the evening, we're quiet, but it's a clear sky tonight, diminishing breeze. Gets really, really cold around here. Air temperature will be around to below 0. Wind chill values, as I showed you, could be down to -20 to -30 in spots. All eyes on Sunday then. This is newer information from our guidance. This is 1 a.m. on Sunday morning, completely fine. Even around 9 a.m. on Sunday, we're still mostly dry. So if you have any early morning plans on Sunday, you look okay. Models have trended a little later with the start time of the snow. This is around 11 a.m. We're starting to see our first flakes falling. And then as we go throughout the afternoon, 2 p.m., it is snowing for everybody, moderate snow. And look at these darker shades of blue coming in for the evening. This is heavy snow across much of the region, continuing through the overnight. 10 o'clock here, still snowing, and we will continue on and off snow into the day on Monday. This model only takes us out till 2 a.m. on Monday. You can still see snow across the region. Now, I am going to show you the model output for the snowfall totals, and I just want to give you a heads up. This model only takes us out till 1 a.m., and I want to give you the idea of how much snow could potentially be on the ground by 1 a.m. on Monday. And this shows around or over a foot for pretty much everyone, near around 14 inches around Springfield, Westfield, over a foot as you go up to the north. So the possibility of a major winter storm is high, and over a foot of snow is increasingly likely for pretty much everyone. Again, it will continue to snow through the morning on Monday, so those totals will even be higher. So snow starts midday on Sunday. Heaviest will be afternoon and evening. Monday, snow through the morning commute, winding down by around the afternoon. Accumulation more than 12 inches possible. I think a lot of us will be dealing with snowfall totals around and over a foot with this one. So temperatures 28 to 32, sun and cloud mix with a chance for a few flurries. Heading through tonight, air temperature -2 to 4 degrees above. feels like -10 to -30 when you factor in the wind chills. For the rest of the Twin Cities Storm Team 7-day forecast here, temperatures only around 12 for the day tomorrow. Wind chill values below 0. Snow heavy at times for Sunday. Light snow continues on and off for the day on Monday. Those temperatures don't get any better. Temperatures in the low 20s to near the teens for much of next week. Nighttime temperatures around 0. Want to check out our latest forecast? You could do so by getting the free Twin Cities mobile app.